This question is from class 12th textbook, chapter Evolution. Question 110, NEET 2015. The wings of a bird and the wings of an insect are. Now the approach to these questions are: write down the structure and function. So when you're comparing the two structures, find out whether the structures are same, whether they have the same anatomy, and whether they have the same ancestry. So in this case, we are comparing bird and insect. Bird is, it belongs to aves, insect belongs to arthropoda. These are, one is vertebrate, other is invertebrate. So ancestry is different, completely different. The anatomical structure will be different. This is forelimb, but this is the exoskeleton. So therefore, the structure is different in both. What about the function? Wings of bird, wings is for flying. Wings of insect, again it is for flying. So function is same. So when the structure is different, function is same, such structures are known as analogous structure. Analogous structures. And analogous structures, they indicate convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. So now let us look at the option. This topic is very important and you will get different combination of the animals, and you will be asked to identify whether they are analogous or homologous structure. So this is not a frequently asked question. This is a definitely asked question. So get the clarity, get your concepts clear, and try to do it in as short time as possible. Try to arrive at the right answer at in shortest amount of time. Let's look at the options. Homologous structure representing convergent evolution. It is indicating convergent, but it is not homologous. So this is wrong. Homologous structures representing divergent evolution. Again, it is not homologous, so the option becomes wrong. Analogous structures that represent convergent. Yeah. So analogous and convergent. Analogous structures represent convergent evolution. This is right. Let's rule out the last option. Phylogenetic structures and represent divergent evolution. No. So, option 3 is the right answer of this question. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.